Okay guys, this is a real hype stuff. My name is Max and today I'm going to show you how to create content factory with the help of Veo 3 and n8n. Grab this template right now for free. Link in description and in comments. Look, this is a real hype with these videos from Veo 3. It's kind of revolution of content. You know, we can create huge chains of content. A huge factories, content factories, I mean, of course. Let me show you how it looks. This is the first one. And what the hell? What is it? What is it? It's black lines. Okay, what's here? Black lines. Oh my god. And here again, black lines. What's the hell? Why it working like this? That's how it works right now, brothers. So it's not ideal. It's not 100% the best solution, but I'll show you how it works. You can take it right now. You can handle prompts. You can remove these lines. Let me show you how. Because right now in my prompt, I see that I have some kind of ton of cinematic words. And because of this, maybe, it is just my guess, maybe because of this cinematic word, we have these lines, kind of cinematic black lines, you know about it. And I think that can be an issue. So right now, it's not ideal. This is the first warning, so it's not ideal, right? So this kind of videos we can get just with the help of this template, with these prompts. I have this base in Airtable. I have idea, status, and video URL. Idea, it is just simple ideas. I put it here. I can put 100 ideas here. That's really easy without any prompts. Just idea of this video. He's supposed to be alive. The last train leaves now. Robot cries in the rain. He walks into his own funeral. Whoa, sounds really hook. It's kind of the really great hook, okay? I'm going to launch it with the help of just execute workflow, but you can create time triggers, so it can be every hour or every 5 hours you will get a video, and in the end of the chain you can upload a video. I'll show you how. The first one is Airtable. Just create Airtable connection and select your base. As you can see here, I have this base, name of the base and name of the sub base, kind of, right? And name of the base, EI base, table, viral, and I just need to return all, everything. The next one is filtering. I need to get to do only. As you can see, you have to create the same table with the same namings, done and to do. You can see it here, and I'm going to filter if status is equal to do. Okay, let's go next, and you can see it here. The next one is just a code node. It's really simple. Just grab this template. Do not write it by yourself, but if you want, you can. So it's just take the first item of an array. So here we have, you can see 3 items, but after take first we have only 1 item. And this exact item we will pass here in as a prompt, as a user message. As a system message, we have this beautiful prompt. That's the correct place where you can change it, where you can improve it, where you can make it as cool as you want. That's the truth. Just grab this prompt and try to do something with this. Let's move on. What is here? Generate video. Let me show what is it. Fall.ai, open it. This is the main page, and go to explore, and here you can see Veo 3. Try it. Let's go. You tap on try it on API, and here you have detailed description, what you should do, how you should do. If you see something not like this, just tap here and select HTTP curl, and that's it. So as you can see here, we need to make post request by this URL with authorization header, the second header, content type, and just prompt. Okay, let's do it. Let me show you. You can go here, account. Okay, here you can tap API keys, add key, and just add key. You can name it whatever you want and you'll get the key. Just copy this key, okay? When you need to create authorization, it should be parameter authorization and value key, space, and your key, okay? Just create HTTP node. Select generic credential type, header authentication, and you just need to create new. It can be full AI, name authorization, and as value it should be key, space, and your key. As it's here, you can see it, right? Just save it, and that's it. The next, you should send headers. As a header content type, application JSON. How I made this? I just copy content type, paste it here, copy application JSON, paste it here. That's it. and we need to send a body. Okay, about the body, we need to send prompt, as you can see here. So the prompt is our previous step, right? AI agent made this prompt. So let's move this here. And we need to send aspect ratio because we want to create videos for Instagram, TikTok, and other social medias, and it should be vertical video, for example, shorts, right? Aspect ratio 9:16. Hey Max, how did you get it that you need to add this name here? Okay, I'll show you. Input. So we have different inputs here. Prompt is kind of required. We need to do this, right? We made this. Aspect ratio, we have these ratios, and I just selected this one. This one is kind of YouTube ratio, as you can see right now in my video. Duration. Right now, it's only 8 seconds. It's not possible to put it 5 seconds, 4 or 3 seconds, or 16 seconds. No, it's only 8. I think it's temporarily, and in future we will get a lot of options here. Negative prompt, enhance prompt, seed, and generate audio. It's Boolean. By default, it's every time true, so you don't need to do anything if you want to get audio. It's kind of the example of our JSON object that we need to send. Okay. After this one, we need to get the status. We have a lot of different statuses, but here is 3 important statuses: in progress, completed, and in queue. In queue is the first status, in progress is the most longest one, and completed one. As you can see, I just put URL from my previous output. When you get this output, you will have status URL like this. So you have status, you have request ID, response URL, status URL, cancel URL. You don't need this one, but response URL to get final video when it will be done. Status URL, it is just to get the status. I put it here, and with the same header authentication. The next is just a switch. I put every status here. In progress, rename output in progress, just to make it beautiful. Completed, rename it, and in queue, and rename it here. And please be careful. In progress will lead to wait. In queue, wait. Completed to the next step. And we are going to wait here 10 seconds. Approximately, it will take about around 3, 4, maybe less sometimes minutes to get the final video. The next node is get video. It's kind of the same stuff. If you remember, I said you that you have response URL and you should just move this one here with the same authentication and you will get video. You can see it's just a link for your video. And the next step is just update record. If you remember, when we take the first, we have ID, so it's just update in Airtable. We need to find our record, our row by ID. Just move this ID here, and status done, and video URL. Just put this video here, and that's it. You'll get it in your table, And the last one, if you want, you can take it. I have not added this, but for you, I've made this because I know you guys are brilliant guys. You want to try, you want to publish, and so I've made this job for you. Just register on the Blotato.com, and I've made this kind of the post request to upload videos. This is an example with the Instagram, so kind of you just need to create your own authentication, and you can see account ID, content, media URLs, platform, Instagram, and media type, it will be real. Account ID, it will be your account ID, okay? Let me tell you about the money here. So how it works, you can see I have only $1 here, but let me show you really brutal stuff, billing. I've spent $38. It was for the last 2 hours when I was doing this stuff. So I've made this for you. You don't need to spend $40. You can just take this stuff and work as you want and do with this whatever you want. Every generation is about from $3 to $6. Every video will cost you. Kind of like this. I hope in future it will be much more cheaper, but now we are on the first line of the technologies, so that's like this. Thank you so much. Grab this template right now, the link in the description or in the comments. Subscribe my channel, that's the interesting place for the guys like you. Tap the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.